In the Quran, Allah Azza wa Jal connected very, subhanAllah, poetically and in a powerful manner, fear and hunger. وَلَنَبْلُوَنَّكُمْ بِشَيْءٍ مِنَ الْخَوْفِ وَالْجُوعِ. We will test you with something of fear and in hunger. So there's a connection between fear and hunger, safety and food security, right? Allah Azza wa Jal also, when He talks to Quraysh and He reminds them of His favors upon them, فَلْيَعْبُدُوا رَبَّ هَذَا الْبَيْتِ الَّذِي أَطْعَمَهُم مِّن جُوعٍ وَآمَنَهُم مِّن خَوْفٍ. Right? Let them worship the Lord of this house, who fed them when they were hungry and gave them security when they were afraid. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, when He speaks to us specifically about the types of charitable endeavors that we undertake, وَيُطْعِمُونَ الطَّعَامِ, there is a visible manifestation of this, that they feed people from their food, despite their love for it. The implication of that, by the way, is that you are hungry and you are giving of your food physically to someone that is next to you.